Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to pay Boost mobile phone bin on a line. So it's very easy. You can either use the Boost mobile app or the Boost mobile website. For the app, what you do is make sure you're actually logged in and then navigate to account. Okay, go to my account or a similar section and then select pay now or pay bill. Okay, and then choose your payment method, whatever your preferred payment method is. Either it's a credit card, debit card, PayPal, whatever you want to do, go ahead and select that. Then just double check the details and confirm that payment. Go through with that payment. If it's a credit or debit card, enter your card details, your card number, expiration date, CVV code. Okay, confirm that payment and you're done. Now the Boost mobile website, of course, you need to log in and then again navigate to account. Okay, find your account section or profile, select pay now or pay bill, and then again you choose your preferred payment method, confirm that payment, confirm the details, and you're done. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.